truck is down. Mula ito sa Jomcar 18. Team USA Australia. Kinakabahan ako. Bakit gano'n? Mga kaibigan. May habol pa rin na natapos. Ano to? Okay. To Carla, happy 19th birthday from Mama Zen, Team Jomcar Manila. Happy birthday, Carla, from Ikay. Happiest birthday, Carla. Wishing you life, fun of happiness with Lord's grace. I love you. To Carla, from Ate Pao. Oh, I love you. Iba pang Pao pala ito. Kala ko ikaw ng Pao. Okay na? Pwede bang pa-suspense dyan, DJ? Nandiyan ka pa ba?
1 million yan.
Una po sa lahat, maraming salamat po. Palakpakan po natin, Jomcar 18, Team USA and Australia. Nakakataba po ng puso, nakaka-overwhelm. Grabe yung blessing po ni Carla. Carla?
Ay, grabe. Wow! Laban!
Cheque! Mga kaibigan, cheque po ang laman. Jomcar 18, Team USA Australia. Carla Tupular. Carla, you will receive 330,000 pesos! Grabe naman yun! Carla? Ang Jomcar 18 Team USA in Australia po na nagtulong-tulong para mabuo ang 330,000 ay sila Tita Connie Sanchez, Tita Jenny, Tita Jem Marquez, Tita Maylene of Las Vegas, Tita Tess of Australia, Tita Karen of New York, Tita Lorna Pareño, Tita Early Pascual. Maraming salamat po.
Mag-birthday na ako bukas.
Andito po ang totoong cheque. Carla, this is for you. Pakita mo, Carla. Yan. Grabe. Picture kayo. Agamunin natin. Pakibigay po kay nanay. Nana mother, umiiyak siya. Ano ba yan?
Itong bag, yung dalawang bag. Halos 1 million na guys. Tsaka yung isang maliit, yung black. Hindi yan. Yung isa lang. Yan.
Thank you po, Team Jomcar 18, USA, Australia, from Tita Connie Sanchez, Tita Jenny, Tita Jem Marquez, Tita Maylene of Las Vegas, Tita Tess of Australia, Tita Karen of New York, Tita Lorna Pareño, Tita Early Pascual. Thank you po. Napakalaking tulong po ito para sa amin, sa buong pamilya ko po, lalo-lalo na po kay Carla sa pag-aaral po. Napakalaking suporta po ito sa anak ko, lalo-lalo na po sa pag-aaral niya. Maraming salamat po, lalo na po sa Team Kalinga. Maraming salamat po ulit. Thank you po.
Thank you, Mami. Lagay na muna natin yun dyan. Picture lang daw, picture mo nga. Mga palakpakan naman natin Team Jomcar 18. Grabe. Go! Wow! Dito na. Jomar! Wow! Pakita mo! They will receive a promise ring. Wow. Diamond? Gold? Diamond? Lululan ako. Sige, kunin mo na, Jomar. Suotin din ang isa't isa. Yan, luhod.
Luhod!
Wait, stop music. Gusto ko yung mga love song naman para kiligin tayo. Bago mo suot yan, anong gusto mong sabihin?
Unang-una, happiest birthday.
Oh no!
Happiest birthday, Carla. And yun, grabe, sobrang daming blessings.
Oh yes!
Yun, sana, matagal pa tayo sa Kalingap. Ikaw din, sana patuloy ka maging matatag. Andito lang ako, andito lang ang Team Kalingap. And yun, lagi ko man sabi sa'yo, if ever naman kailangan ka, wag kang mahiyang mag-message sa akin. So yun, it's a promise ring, pero syempre, gusto ko lang ipakita sa'yo yung, syempre, yung importansya mo. This ring symbolizes our love. I love you.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this.
Okay, tama na, copyright na. Charot lang.
Paano na?
Sige na. Sige na. Sige na. Pakala. Iniinitan na. Palakpakan po natin mga supporters. Jomcar 18. Of course, we would like to say thank you first. Mga kaibigan, ang sumagot po ng event na ito ay ang Jomcar 18 Team USA in Australia. Palakpakan po natin sa pagiging pagtulungan po ni Ma'am Yangmi and the rest of the family who are here. Maraming salamat po. Napakalaking bagay po dahil nabigyan din ng trabaho ang ating mga kasamahan. Thank you very much to Richmark Photography, our photographer. Maraming salamat. Our videographer, D-Visuals by Dexter Barameda. Maraming salamat, Blue Rock Event Center. Thank you very much also to Savory's Photo Booth. Maraming salamat din sa ating pianist, Here's Ivan Buwan. Our team coordinators headed by Mr. Aaron Galeros. A special shout out to TJ Sabonte. Maraming salamat to DJ Janelle. And of course, the rest of the team.